Vanillalovvetv.
The neglect I've been giving y'all. It's okay though. I'm making lasagna. Y'all can see how I make it. I got some water boiling. My mom did not boil me enough, so I'm gonna put some more water in it. Boil noodles. And I'll show you after that. Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna go over what I'm gonna be using for the actual lasagna part. Of course, lasagna noodles. I'm gonna use Italian sausage, the turkey kind. I try not to, you guys know I'm vegan and stuff, but I try not to use, when I'm cooking for them, a lot of red meat. So turkey sausage, you just take it out the casing. Cheese you're gonna use is Parmesan, of course. Mozzarella, this Italian style with all type of cheese in it. Mozzarella, Romano, cheddar, white cheddar, provolone. Have ricotta cheese. I have whole milk and I have skim milk. Minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, fresh, grated. Seasonings, we have some Italian seasonings here. Basil. We have some salt, pepper, crushed red peppers, oregano. We have one onion, one whole onion, a half a bell pepper green, whatever pasta sauce of your choice. I can make my own, but look what I'm sleepy. I've been at work all day. I'm gonna get done with this shit so quick. And some fresh parsley. So right now I'm just going to get this chopped on up. I'm going to start with my meat sauce. Okay, so we have our onion and our bell pepper nicely chopped up. Make sure you can see that here. Okay, so we're going to put that in our pot. In our pot, we're going to put some olive oil down. And then a little bit of butter. Yes, butter. Just a little bit. Okay, so that's on a medium heat. Go ahead and hit that with salt and pepper. And then crushed red peppers. Okay, so while that's doing this thing, I'm going to go ahead and take the meat out of the casing. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. Okay. These just have more flavor than just using like ground turkey, ground beef, or whatever. So I would say use if you can find it, Italian sausage. Just like this. Right out the casing. Right into the pan. Okay, so our meat is done browning. This is how it's gonna look. I don't drain, when I cook with turkey, ground turkey, anything turkey, I don't drain it because it drains itself. You can drain it if you want. I keep the little fat that it has because it's very lean. I keep it in there. But that's all of the turkey that I use. So it'll probably be more than this, but whatever. So now I'm gonna season this. Some minced garlic. Oregano. Y'all see the shakes? I'm gonna try to count by shakes. Italian seasoning. Oh, I never opened this bitch. A little bit of salt. Basil, of course. And then pepper. And we're going to put more crushed red peppers. Because we like a little spice in our food. If you look at my channel, you're going to learn I like a little spice. Give it a stir. Turn your heat on low. I'm going to put a lid on that so let the flavors keep doing its thing. We have one egg. Our ricotta cheese, you use whole milk, skim milk, don't matter. So one egg whipped, well, you know, whatever the hell that is. The ricotta cheese. Fuck. You're gonna stir this up good. I'm gonna put a little parsley in it. Oh, that's the Italian seasoning. Whoops. Don't matter. Let's put a little parsley in it for the color. Meat sauce been cooking. Oh, I had only 2 jars of the meat sauce and then season it up more. I like my shit to have flavor. So, our first layers, of course, are going to be just a little bit of the sauce. Always got to put that down first. Smell good. Yes, you can make your own sauce. I don't have any wine. I usually add wine to everything I make, but I don't have any right now. Next is our noodles. These bitches are so hot, y'all. God damn. Look at Chase. He be wanting to get stepped on. He be wanting to get stepped on. I'm convinced. I do let mine overlap a little bit. And yes, I love using the little aluminum pans. When you get done, you can just put it in the refrigerator. You can just throw them away if they eat it all. Okay, next is the ricotta mixture. Hope I got like a spreader or some shit, cause it's back in the day when I used to make lasagna, when I used to eat it, even when I used to eat it, they used to always just use regular cheese, like just mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese, and that's so unauthentic. When I started becoming a at-home chef, I started doing it the correct way, and I made it for them a couple months ago, and they fucking loved it. So I am gonna add some of our mixed cheeses and mozzarella, all that, you know, our Italian style cheeses and our mozzarella cheese right on to that. And our Parmesan cheese I'm going to grate. So each layer is going to get this, y'all. Each layer. Parmesan cheese is great for the sauciness. That's why I don't use a lot of salt in this, because Parmesan cheese got all that. And now meat again.
Jay, so you ended up having to take him home?
Hey Mom, I'm recording a video.
I'm sorry.
Okay, and now I like this layer to be a little thicker with the noodles, because we got a lot of stuff to cover. So these I do like to overlap a lot, this layer. And then the pieces that be like messed up when they in the boiling process. Ooh, y'all, these so hot. Pieces that get messed up in the boiling process, I use that like on the edges, like fillers, like stuff like this. I use on the edge. Okay, so I topped it with just the remaining cheese. Well, not the main cheese, but cheese, parsley, and the basil. It's going to go in the oven at 375. I'm going to let it go, cover with aluminum foil for about I would say about 25 minutes. Covered, and then 25 minutes uncovered. I'll come back when it's uncovered. So oven time. Okay, so we're gonna make some garlic bread. So we have parsley, about this much. I don't know how much this is. Come on, y'all. Do y'all really need exact measurements? Just look at it. We have bread. I like to use more of a sourdough or some type of baguette. But they had this French bread, so I'm like, fuck it, let's use this. And then we have about 5 cloves of garlic in here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the parsley in. We're basically going to make a garlic sauce. I got this recipe from Laura Vitale. If you don't know who that is on YouTube, she's been cooking on YouTube for a long ass time. And I saw it this weekend. My boyfriend's house, we was watching her, and we was watching them. We always watching food shit. So, olive oil. That should be good. That should be good. So we're going to go ahead and blend this up, and I'll be right back. Not all the way. I'm going to open her up. Oh! Of course it wasn't a perfect cut. Bread is kind of weird, but... Open her up as best as you can. This is what the sauce came out to look like. Green sauce. All over it. Smells amazing. You get everything. I always buy a garlic bread like the one that's frozen, or they even have some in the bakery that's just like take and bake. But might as well go all out since I'm making lasagna and I gotta wait for lasagna to cook anyway. So when it closes up, Wrap it in foil, put in our oven. I'm saying temperature 375. I'm gonna go about 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the lasagna after 25 minutes being covered. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven, 25 minutes, uncovered. Okay, so I took it out the oven, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going ahead and put the cheese on top. And then Parmesan cheese. Okay, so back in the oven, uncovered, and then do not wrap it up. So just like this for another like 10-15 minutes. Okay, so it's fresh out the oven. I did let the broiler go on it for about 15 seconds. Sound like a little crunch at the top. And here's the cheesy bread. Yes, Lord. And I did whip up a little salad. There's carrots, cherry tomatoes, red onion, romaine lettuce. That's about it. Let me know if you guys like this recipe. Let me know if you guys try it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.